Many modern diets contain large amounts of processed foods. These foods are convenient and widely available. But what happens inside the body when you stop eating processed foods and switch to whole foods? The changes may begin sooner than many people realize. Processed foods often contain refined carbohydrates and added sugars. These ingredients can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. When people switch to whole foods, blood sugar levels may become more stable. Many processed foods contain hidden added sugars. Reducing these foods may significantly lower daily sugar intake. This can help support healthier metabolic function. Without frequent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, many people report more consistent energy throughout the day. Whole foods often contain more dietary fiber. Fiber supports digestive health and helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome plays an important role in overall health. Whole foods often provide greater satiety. Because they contain fiber, water, and nutrients, they may help people feel full longer. This may help regulate overall calorie intake. Many processed foods contain additives, refined oils, and excessive sugars. Some research suggests that diets high in these foods may contribute to inflammation. Whole foods provide antioxidants that help support the body's natural defenses. Diets centered around whole foods have been associated with lower risk of several chronic diseases. These include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Switching away from processed foods can begin with small steps. Choosing fresh foods, cooking simple meals at home, and reducing sugary drinks can make a meaningful difference. Whole foods provide nutrients that support the body's natural systems. Small dietary changes practiced consistently can improve long-term health. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And thank you for watching.